Good morning everyone and welcome to this workshop on prototype process design and development organized by the Institution's Innovation Council SOFT guided by Ministry of Education Cell Innovation Cell. The objective of this workshop is to help students understand how innovative ideas can be translated into practical prototypes and workable processes. It aims to foster creativity, design thinking, and problem solving skills, while introducing students to the fundamentals of prototype development, feasibility testing, and iterative improvements, an essential step in the innovation and entrepreneurship journey. It is my pleasure to introduce our speaker for today's workshop, Ms. Malika Samant ma'am. Malika ma'am is a design educator and researcher and the course coordinator of the Masters in Design program at SOFT. Her work focuses on bridging traditional craft knowledge with contemporary design thinking, encouraging sustainable and socially responsible design practices. Through her practice-led research and teaching, she inspires emerging designers to think critically, create responsibly, and explore design as a tool for cultural and social impact. We are delighted to have her with us today and look forward to an insightful and engaging session. Thank you. I welcome Malika to the podium.
Thank you, Nana. Good morning, girls.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, like Nana ma'am said, we are going to take a look into process design, because otherwise, what is design you all know, how the design development is done you all know so far. Process design is something different. Okay. Can anybody tell me, has anybody ever Googled or AI'd about the design process? Have you done that ever? Have you seen your seniors working on the design process? Like all different boards, your seniors, right? I think the similar things that we are also doing in our craft research subject, correct? We are doing inspiration, we are doing mood board, we are doing storyboard, we are doing style boards, right? Correct?
Yes.
But process design out here, when we consider craft related subjects, is comparatively a little different. Can anybody tell me why they are a little different? Can anybody tell me why craft design process is little different than the usual design process? Any clue?
Because we're taking into account the craft and its traditions and whatever goes behind it.
Correct. Because when we are talking about crafts, there are a lot of value systems, there are a lot of ethos, there are a lot of beliefs, there are a lot of cultural narratives that bring with them. Okay? And what happens usually when it comes to craft research and design kind of subjects is we usually need to understand what brings with it in terms of its values, in terms of its heritage, in terms of its cultural connections. Okay? And when we have to consider all this, it in some or the other way limits our designs and creativity. Okay? So the process design, the design process for craft related subjects is comparatively different than the usual design process that we do in developing any designs. Okay? How many of you have observed fourth year design showcase wala kaam? Have you seen their work?
Yes.
In hostels, probably some of them could be your roommates, right? Have you seen their designs? Have you seen their designs?
Yes.
Did you see any difference in the kind of boards that you are doing right now and what they did? Difference? था? था या नहीं था? Boards तो वही थे ना? सिर्फ content अलग था, right? Why? Because they had a great freedom of exploring their own topics. Because none of them were working for the crafts, right? So they did not have any restrictions, they did not have any limitations, they were free. Okay, their creativity was kept free, right? Boards will never change. Whenever it comes to any particular design process, your boards will never change. What changes is your consumer, and what changes is there any particular thing or an aspect of the industry that you're working on, and out of which craft is one of the most important industries. Okay? Understood till here? So the same boards we are also gonna do. Now what is it that is different when it comes to designs? What is it? Can I create an avant-garde collection using crafts? What is avant-garde? Do you all know this?
Yes.
What is it? Can anybody explain me what is avant-garde design? Anyone? Have you heard this term? How many of you have heard this term called avant-garde? उठाओ हाथ ऊपर. सुना है ना? बोलो ना. What is it?
The design that is made without fabric.
No?
And which we can't make.
Yeah. The variability context is kept minimal. It is something that goes extremely creative. It is beyond probably variability. It is probably beyond commerciality of that design. Okay? Have you ever seen any collections, any designers working on craft and creating avant-garde designs?
Not yet.
Even I have not seen. What could be the reason? Can anybody tell me what could be the reason behind this? Anyone?
There is complete freedom in when we do avant-garde, and usually when there is a craft, there are restrictions and boundaries to it. I feel.
Restrictions like?
Let's say colors or everything is.
No, your basic reasoning for this of why crafts are usually not used in avant-garde sector is because it has lot of social connects to it. It has lot of individual, ethical, mythological, regional, cultural context to it. And that is one of the reasons ये जो मैंने पहले आपको बोला, that creates the hindrance, that creates a limitations, that creates a restriction.
No,
Correct?
your
Whenever you want to explore anything in the craft, why not do any category which is beyond variability? Okay, because of the simpler reason that there are a lot of cultural narratives that are associated with it. That is the reason why these kind of processes are also known as community-based processes or community-based crafts. Okay, because here we are not just talking about craft, we are talking about a certain community which is there in the society for past many generations, many years, don't know how many, and we also respect the kind of beliefs that they have as a community, correct? Okay, and that is also going to be one of the limitations for you all to develop anything around that, because I am sure those who have already spoken to the artisans, they must have told you कि ये नहीं होगा, ये motives हम नहीं करेंगे, या आपको हमारे पास जो है वही करना पड़ेगा, right? Correct? It is not that they cannot. It is the reason that they don't want to explore more that goes beyond their craft definitions. Okay? There are very few of the artisans community. There are very few artisans who love to explore, and they do, but to a certain extent. Okay? They do it only for the high-end designers who are paying them probably double than their actual product cost that they sell it to the customers, and then they can do it. Okay? Clear? That is one of the reasons why the kind of design process that we are following out here, we are not considering anything that we want to create. Okay? What we are considering out here, most of you have done the designs, right? So what is it that we are considering here? Bolo? What are we considering when we did the designs? 10 designs everybody has done, right? What are we considering?
How we can put emphasis on the craft and the
Sorry?
garment. How we can put emphasis on the craft in the whole garment.
No, we are looking at the commercial viability of the collections, right? If you remember in the last session, I had given you some websites. Remember those who work hardcore in different crafts. Have you observed their designs? Have you observed their designs? Have you ever been to Fab India store? Have you seen their designs? They are pretty wearable. They are commercially viable. Anybody can wear it. There is no restriction of thinking कि मैं ये पहनूंगी या नहीं पहनूंगी. Okay, everything which is approachable for a consumer is there. Have you ever been to Jaipur? Have you ever been to Anokhi? Have you seen their websites? Have you seen any craft-based websites? Have you observed their designs? You will not find anything that is beyond commercial viability. Commercial viability is something that we talk about when a design is approachable to the mass or not. Okay? We are talking about mass. Right? So the kind of designs what we are gonna make are also going to be commercially viable for this reason. First reason, because it is craft. Second reason, because it has lot of restrictions in terms of expansion, diversification and modification. And the third main reason for these two is their cultural narrative that is associated with the craft. Agree? Everybody? That's the reason the kind of storyboard, the kind of style board that we have made it completely wearable. किसी का भी style board avant-garde में है क्या? नहीं. The kind of elements that we are working on are all the basic elements of apparel that everybody prefers to wear. We are doing tunics, we are doing tops, we are doing bottoms, skirts, trousers, right? Dresses, right? So all these set of apparels or the elements of fashion are going to be opted by anyone, no matter what age group, no matter what size of the body, but it will be applicable to anybody. Correct? Understood? And that's the reason why any design projects that revolve around any particular crafts will have these kind of thought processes, these kind of value sets that we will be following. Understood? We will not be in the position to create anything extraordinary. Obviously, the kind of designs that we are creating, we need to have something different in it. We need to have something which is a creative factor added to it. Not something which is already there, lies in the market and we are creating the same thing. But we have to make sure that we are not also in the position to create it in a manner that it is not acceptable in the market. Right? Because of these reasons. Correct? Understood? So the kind of design process we follow out here is also a kind of process. That's the reason we call it as a craft design process. Clear? And whenever in your life you will work around any particular craft, you will have to remember these points that you cannot go extremely creative when you are working with any of the craft around India. Because any craft you talk about, any craft, any textile craft, any handicraft you talk about, it is associated with the community. When it is associated with the community, we talk about people, we talk about society, we talk about their culture, heritage, their political context, okay? Their economic status, everything, their historical aspects. So when we talk about community, when we talk about craft, we talk about community. When we talk about community, we talk about all these factors. And we cannot touch those factors if we create designs that are beyond viability. Understood? That's the reason you probably may observe कि हम लोगों ने इतने basic क्यों बनाए हैं या इतने basic हम क्यों बना रहे हैं. This is the reason. Okay? Now compared to this, if this would have been any other project like say developing a collection for kids wear, okay, I would have given you a complete free hand in terms of creating your own inspiration, go haywire the way you want. You can even create avant-garde because there is no restriction like that, right? There are a lot of areas where even avant-garde designs by kids are worn, like say costume parties, Halloween parties, then dramas and school gatherings and all. So even that has a scope. But that design process is going to be completely different than the kind of craft process we usually follow for designing anything or diversifying anything in the craft sector. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now can you all relate this to your designs that you have created? Everyone? Have you all connected this to the kind of style board that we have created? Everybody? Now what I want you all to do right now is, you will go down, you will sit in a group. I hope you are carrying something to sit on. You all will sit in a group together. Have you all got the prints? You will keep the prints in the center. Inspiration board, your style board and your storyboard. You'll keep it in the center. And you will take out your design wala sheet. I want you all to just go through the style board that you have given and your designs. Of course, they'll be relevant because usi reference se we have made the designs, right? Am I right? Now what I want you all to do is now keep the style board aside, keep your inspiration in front, and then observe your designs. I'm sure there is nothing that connects your inspiration to your designs. Okay? Here what we are supposed to do is, because we have taken certain inspiration, we need to make sure that there are certain elements from the inspiration board that are need to be converted in our designs in some of the other manner. Right? It could be a structure, it could be a silhouette, it could be a panel line, it could be some cut and sew patterns, it could be some sleeve pattern. Okay? So what I want you all to do is, I want you all to extract certain elements from your inspiration board, okay, and add it to the designs that you are doing in these forms. Okay? Suppose you are doing tops. The kind of tops that you have designed right now are relevant to your style board, right? Correct? But is it relevant to the inspiration that you have taken for that particular craft? है? है या नहीं है? होगा तो well and good. नहीं होगा तो you'll have to do this stage, right? So probably a basic structure you already have designed, and now you will add certain elements from your inspiration in terms of shapes, forms, structure, the 3D shape that is getting formed, any particular detail like steps hai, so can you convert that into pleats? If there is dome shape, can you convert that into a silhouette by adding peplum to your tops? Okay. If there is jali work, can you just add fagoted seams somewhere? Okay. Something of this sort. What you are trying to do out here is you are translating your inspiration into your designs. That is how we go about it. Okay. Right. So this is the stage that we are going to do. You are going to keep your main copy of your basic 10 designs in front of you. Trace them again on a different sheet in pencil, and now add these elements so that we can have a comparative of what your designs were previously and what your designs are now when you add inspirational elements to it. Understood? Everyone? So we are going to do this. You have time till 12:15 to do this. And you have to go down, sit there, and I'll come there. Okay? Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Okay? Till last year, जब मैं क्राफ्ट रिसर्च लेती थी, we used to actually design our own motifs for any craft that we are doing.
स्पाइस करता ही बट अरे नहीं स्पाइसेस नहीं लगते छोटी के कलर है एंड्रॉइड अभी तो कलरफुल रहेगी ना पूरा रेड को कलर पर काफी कलर this one.
This looks very Chinese. But in a good way, I'm saying.
No, but those are basic pattern. I'm focusing on this one. Everything goes. Everything goes.
Cape sleeve.
Sorry, off-white.
It's like a tulip skirt.
ऑफ-वाइट में ही करते हैं
But then see, if you get one color, everybody has to. Red black always baby there. Red black baby there खाना नहीं पड़ता.
अच्छा मोटे ऑफ-वाइट
Highlight.
If we take black, we won't highlight that.
Total how many zeros we need? 36.
I am thinking wait.
Equal होने चाहिए. Sorry, what? हाँ 18 flat and 18 flat.
हमारी इंस्पिरेशन वो दूसरा बोर्ड पे ना नहीं नहीं इसमें पीला पैकेट नहीं
ये तो अच्छा लगता है
ये वाला यू वॉट एक्साइटेड मतलब पैंट पे किसी की रूम की पे
इसका थोड़ा लाइट कलर ले सकते हैं क्या
हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
ये वाला तो चेंज करेंगे
बहुत हाईलाइटिंग है.
डेनिम कपड़ों ले
ऐसा पैसे हाँ ऐसा
ये भी
तो अपन थोड़ा सा तरह से
see आप जो यूज करते हैं वो रेड एंड ब्लैक.
वो टाई का अलग पैसे
अगर अपन यहाँ पे अगर फैब्रिक टाई किया है. You don't have that much time.
नहीं नहीं उससे भी ज़्यादा
Let's see. And let's say put light and everything after.
कहाँ पे लगाना है बस कोई बात नहीं
Because tie-dye का फायदा तो सब white के अंदर blend हो जाएगी.
बट टाई-डाई
But एकदम mild अगर off white अपन yellow के shade में भी off white जो है. Yeah, I feel off white is better because again because the product cannot make many
या फिर
अच्छा लग रहा है
But then this red and black off white के साथ बहुत अच्छा जाएगा.
नहीं not with the motif but the base fabric and same not everyone
पूरा blue पे
2-3 white
perfect. ऐसा ही blue है कुछ. उसके ऊपर black and red अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. That's my
तो फिर भी ये थोड़ा लग रहा है
no even red will be there ना.
that is off-white
See, भाई अगं जसं ती ट्रायंगलची बॉर्डर असते बघा पण त्याच्या बॉर्डर पण मग त्याचा कलर आपल्याला व्हाईटच ते हत्तीच्या वरती गोल्डन कलरचं असं असं करू शकतो आपण मध्ये टाकतो मला मध्ये माहिती त्याच्यावरती काही केलेलं नाही असं दे असं काही नाही मला तर असं वाटतं सगळ्यात टॅक्स वापरायचं आहे सपोज टॅक्स तर 10 सगळ्यांना टॅक्स सगळे आले आहेत विचारून घ्या ऐकत कशी बाई हे घेऊन जाऊ का एक्सप्रेशन फोटो घेऊन जाऊ का तुला काढून फ्लेअर मध्ये पण असं दाखवू हेच म्हणते मी होम शेप काय तर मग करता जाता माझं असं आहे ना मी इकडनं काही शॉर्ट ऑफ म्हणजे त्या शेपमध्ये मी तो चालू करते नाही कार्ट शॉर्ट ऑफ टाटासारखं मी याला बघा मी त्याचं शेप वैष्णवी ठीक आहे बघू ना ते काय हा मला तुमचं कळालं जाते शेप होता तुला काय करावं लागत होतं अरे करे
No, ma'am.
How many of you have already incorporated inspirational elements in your design? Those who are already done with it, what you can do is you directly go on to the next stage. Now we are going to select few of the motifs from the actual craft. Don't go for typical positions की border यहाँ लगा दिया, नीचे लगा दिया, यहाँ पे sleeve के यहाँ पे लगा दिया. Just think creatively. ब्लॉक प्रिंट में जो कोई काम कर रहे हैं, मेक श्योर कि आपके मोटिव्स आप इंटरनेट पे भी देखो एंड टेक सम व्हिच आर रेलेवेंट टू योर इंस्पिरेशन. ओके एवरीवन? should not be something which is like been there. Even if see in a wardrobe. Try to use your creativity. Try to add little bit of lines. There are a lot of style lines, artistic patterns that you can incorporate around which you can place your embroidered body. This is only for embroidery. Okay? So basically, even though your syllabus is simple, by adding a different placement, a unique placement, you can make your design look very different. Okay? You know? So embroidery वाले जो लोग हैं अपना सामान लेके wherever you want to send this design meet me sharp at 4. Okay? Printing वाले से पेंटिंग वाले भी नहीं चाहिए मुझे ब्लॉक प्रिंट वाली जो लोग हैं वो लोग which you will show me जिनका हो गया